Good morning, this is April 3rd, 2018. This is Minesh Patel with Ichimoku Trade. I want to give you a quick update on the markets before they open up. Didn't give one yesterday due to the markets coming back from the holidays, but we had a big down day yesterday. Here's the E-mini S&P 500 futures that we look at. And we also look at the VIX too, so those are the two products that we use to look at the markets and to determine tops, bottoms, and which way they're going. So you could kind of see here we are below the cloud. The sentiment's bearish, but we haven't started a trend. And the reason why is there's a major support right here, as you guys could see from this black line here. And you could see from here, this was established way back here. See these crosses here? There's a multiple time frame supports that were established way back in October of 2017. Those supports are pretty much controlling everything right now at 25, 60, 50 and stopping this market from going lower. As long as we hold that support here, we're going to pretty much consolidate around the bearish side. But that doesn't really mean anything. Reason why is the weekly time frame is still bullish. So anything can happen, and these big swings with volatility are huge. So anything could pretty much go from there. The key thing right now is that we hold that support. As long as we hold that support, this is not going to start a bearish trend at all. We'll pretty much sit there and just consolidate. Right now the support resistance is going to be 26.38, so we're going to still have a high probability to break the support as long as we're below this resistance here. So that's something you have to keep a lookout for. Let's go look at the lower time. Here's the 240 minute. This is kind of like the bridge between the swing trading world and the long-term world. And you could see here, we're retesting this support here. This is the third time we're retesting that, and it's holding up really well. The key is now is to sit there and get back above this resistance here, which is pretty much the resistance that held in order to start this little downward move here and get back above the cloud. So there's no way this is 240 is going to sentiment's going to change, be bullish just like that. It needs some time and upward movement. I think earnings seasons is probably going to kickstart this thing to go up, but there's still got a couple more days. Maybe towards the middle of this month, I think we could start making some really big, nice trends to the bullish side, as long as we hold the support here and break that resistance there. Let's go look at the 60 minute. Here's a 60 minute here. You can see there's a red shaded area, but you could see now it's getting close to our cancel alerts, which are these green dots here, and it does have the possibility, if the market keeps on moving up, to go bullish here on a 60 minute, which this is pretty much the bridge between the day traders and swing traders. So you could kind of see exactly slowly this market's holding the support here, which is a very good sign, but it's still got a lot of movement to make in order to basically be bullish more on the long-term side now. And the reason why is that the downward movement that we've experienced in the last couple of weeks has really dented the long-term time frames, so we really need to start seeing some upward movements here. Based on seasonality, based on timing elements that we see a lot of this start to occur close to the middle of this month, where we'll probably sit there and kind of equalize this week, consolidate a little going into next week, and then probably towards the end of next week to going forward with earnings and everything. I think we're going to start seeing some upward movement, but of course everything has to be backed up with chart action, so you guys will start seeing some videos on a weekly basis to follow up. Hope you guys are doing good. Remember, all disclaimers apply for this video. It means you cannot copy or distribute this information without or consult. If you do so, you're doing against the risk. We are broker neutral. Today we did show trading view, but we are broker neutral. Thank you.